What's up everybody, Jacob Blank here, and I'm so excited to bring you the REISCALERS Learn How to Wholesale program. If you don't already know who I am, I started my real estate journey at the age of 16. I am now 19 years old and I've been able to make millions of dollars wholesaling real estate. And it's finally time that I bring you my knowledge. In this program, I'm going to be teaching you the proven techniques that I use to acquire deals, sell deals, and scale a wholesaling company. If you are asking yourself, is this program for me? Well, yes it is, because this program is for beginners and it's for experienced investors, because we have to remember that the number one most important thing in real estate investing is finding good deals. And in this program, I teach you exactly how to find good deals. And if you're a beginner, even better, because in this program, I'm going to be teaching you from A to Z how to get your very first deal step by step, how to sell that deal, and then from there on scale to a full-blown wholesaling real estate company. Now I want to mention this really quick. I don't need to sell a program to make an income. I really do deals. I really do wholesaling real estate deals every single week. Here is a folder of over 100 checks from over 100 deals we have done just this year. And here's a HUD to prove it. Okay, so I'm really doing deals. Now, the reason I am coming out with a program is because I want to pour back into the community. I want to show others how to change their life with real estate just like I have changed mine. So that being said, if you want to change your life with real estate and become massively successful, and you're looking for the right place to go for knowledge, REISCALERS is for you. It will teach you everything you need to know about wholesaling real estate and help you increase your income and start making thousands of dollars every single month doing real estate deals. So that being said, if REISCALERS sounds like it's a good fit for you, check out the rest of the website and make sure you start REISCALERS today.